Hello friends, welcome to my channel Serenitiz. Today we will be doing Dandelion Acrylic Painting on canvas. First, put masking tape on all borders. Start doing the yellow color as shown on your screens using flat brushes number 12 and 16. Start doing the light blue color. Blend both the colors using white color. Keep doing the blending till you get your desired blend. Now take dark blue color and start doing at top of the canvas. Keep blending the two colors till you get the shade of your choice. Take green color and make the grass. Mix dark green and blue color to highlight the grass using round brush number 6. Time to design the flower stems. Here I am doing with a round brush number 0. Make little semicircles on each stem using yellow and white color. Dip one cotton swab in white color and start creating your flower as shown on the screen. Remove the masking tape. Now our dandelion canvas painting is ready. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, comment down below and do like, subscribe and share with your family and friends.